Take a close look at this gorilla hand. The similarities to a human hand are remarkable. Comparing anatomy and characterizing the similarities and differences provides evidence of evolution. Evidence from living species. Just as Darwin did many years ago, today's scientists study living species to learn about evolution. They compare the anatomy, embryos, and DNA of modern organisms to understand how they evolved. Comparative anatomy. Comparative anatomy is the study of the similarities and differences in the structure of different species. Similar body parts may be homologies or analogies. Both provide evidence for evolution. Homologous structures are structures that are similar in related organisms because they were inherited from a common ancestor. These structures may or may not have the same function or job in the descendants. The figure below shows the hands of several different mammals: human, cat, whale, bat. They all have the same basic patterns of bones. They inherited this pattern from a common ancestor. However, their forelimbs now have different functions or different jobs, right? We use our hands to pick things up. Bats use their hands as wings. Analogous structures are structures that are similar in unrelated organisms. The structures are similar because they evolved to do the same job, not because they were inherited from a common ancestor. For example, the wings of bats and birds, shown in the figure below, look similar on the outside. They also have the same function. However, wings evolved independently in these two groups of animals. This is apparent when you compare the pattern of the bones inside the wings. The bones look very different.